SS Metal Products, the one-stop solutions for all your aluminium requirements. The best recommended alternative for plastic in food packaging. SS Metal Products is your one-stop supplier of aluminium specialty packaging. At SS Metal Products, we support a semi-automated flexible manufacturing process complete with manufacturing machines and molds for production of aluminium foil containers integrating technology and specifications. We are able to cater for various range of food packaging aluminium requirements with a high-speed press-forming supply chain. Technical expertise aids in production of large volumes with consistent high quality and fast production. High-speed press forming increases the speed of production, resulting in 40 to 50 pieces per minute. These include various models of single cavity packaging ranging from 120 ml to 1000 ml packaging capacity. The supply chain carries out production from a feeder with reel mounting, followed by a lubrication station from in-feeder to mold. The semi-automated process also includes cutting formation and curling, which is then manually collected for packaging. Aluminium is among the most efficient and highly used metal, popular as a good packaging material. It is lightweight, corrosion, grease, oil resistant and includes no taste or odor. It also has moisture, vapor and gas resistance.